In the latest coronavirus news, cases of MERS have been predicted to rise by the World Health Organization following 2 deaths. Middle East respiratory syndrome-related coronavirus, MERS, has a mortality rate of around 35%. That means it kills a third of those infected with it. According to reports, 2 people have died after catching the contagious zoonotic disease in recent months. And it is believed this means the death tally associated with MERS since it was first identified in 2012 has hit 947. Coronavirus news: MERS is deadlier than related virus COVID-19, but it also considered less transmissible. Nonetheless, WHO experts have sounded a warning about how it could take grip. Furthermore, MERS has previously been identified as a priority disease that ranks among those that poses the biggest risk to public health. MERS symptoms can include fever, coughing, breathing difficulties, diarrhea and vomiting. Additionally, there is no specific treatment for the symptoms. Reports suggest the majority of cases are reported in West Asia, in the Arabian Peninsula. But MERS has also been detected in other regions, including 2 cases in the UK in 2013 and 2018. Where does MERS come from? MERS is usually passed on from infected animals like camels. The 2 unnamed men reported to have died from MERS were aged 42 and 85. They were diagnosed with it in Saudi Arabia in November 2022 and March 2023. Another man, who survived, aged 83, tested positive in December of last year. It is believed 2 of those who were infected had been in contact with camels. And all of the men reportedly consumed raw camel milk in the days before their symptoms began. Furthermore, all 3 are said to have had underlying health conditions which may have exacerbated symptoms. Will MERS cases rise? Some reports also suggest another case may also have been reported earlier this year in Abu Dhabi, in the United Arab Emirates. And on August 29, the WHO indicated more cases of MERS could arise. It said, WHO expects that additional cases of MERS-CoV infection will be reported from the Middle East and/or other countries where MERS-CoV is circulating in dromedaries. Travelers to the Middle East are warned to regularly and thoroughly wash their hands with soap and water, and avoid contact with camels, raw camel milk and any food that may be contaminated with animal fluids. Less than IMG class equals W full H full absolute INSET 0 object cover SRC equals https://i.ytimg.com/vi/m0r4 lvli 17k/hq default. JPEG alt equals YouTube video player greater than